When it comes to mayonnaise, these two brands probably have the most passionate fan bases. And both have very different approaches to what I'd call the mayonnaise experience. Which sounds like a euphemism for something. I'm not sure what exactly for, but either way it's probably very unpleasant. I thought it'd be fun to compare the two side by side. This one's the Duke's. Very thick and creamy, rich texture, with just the slightest bit of tang, not very much. This one's the Kewpie mayo. Texture-wise, it is super light in comparison. Flavor-wise, it starts off with that hit of MSG, just that really solid umami flavor that washes over your tongue, and very quickly followed by a vinegar finish, much more so than the Duke's. And that kind of proves my theory. I prefer to use this when making tomato sandwiches. And I prefer to use this when making bacon sandwiches. And it has everything to do with the texture and the vinegary finish. This one has a little bit more acid in its flavor, so it's really good when pairing off with very rich and fatty things. Same goes for its feather-light texture. Pairing it with something that is heavy in fat is no problem because this stuff is already really light. Meanwhile, for something acidic and light for a tomato sandwich, you want something that's a little bit more robust. Duke's is richer and creamier and has quite a bit less acid in its finish. Not zero, but a lot less than this, which you don't need for tomato sandwiches anyway. And for that reason, if you like mayonnaise, it's kind of worth it to keep a bottle of both. Tomato sandwiches, BLTs. Macaroni salads, deviled eggs. French fries, egg salad.